Alright, first things first, and it's very important, what you're going to do is comb that hair out so it gets it all to its natural state. Alright, we'll start with a number 2 guard here. This could be pretty thick on top. You're gonna see me combing the line in this, making sure I get every hair into place as I want it to, because he has curly hair. But what I'm doing here is setting my first guideline all around the head. Right here, my clippers are set all the way open, going up about 1/2 inch. And right here, I'm using my number 1 guard all the way open. So what I'm doing here is debulking. So I'm hitting it with the number 3 guard all the way open. As you can see, I'm working my way down, debulking, using number 2 guard all the way open. See, I'm still working my way down. Right now, I'm just debulking some more using a 1.5 guard all the way open. What I'm doing here is working on buffing that bottom faint line out. What I'm doing, I'm starting with it halfway open, just to buff it out a little bit, and there's gonna be a little bit left, and what I'm gonna do is cycle in between closed and a little bit, just a little bit before closed. And right here, I'm gonna go straight into my number 1 guard close, just to buff that line out a little bit. It's not gonna come out. When I do this, it don't necessarily come all the way out, but what it does, it lightens it up more so I can see what I'm working with, and that's the most safest way to go. Especially if you're just now beginning, learning how to cut hair. You don't want to go into straight just trying to get that line out and you end up creating another one. So just buffing it out as you go is the safest way to go. But what I did here, I opened it up all the way to try to blend it in together. As you can see, his hair grows different ways in the back, so just taking the most safest steps as possible. I'm pretty sure y'all can guess what's coming next. I love my master work, man. Pretty much what I do here, I just flick in between all the way open with the masters, and I go to the 3rd and the last notch. And just pretty much just I work with that. As you can see, this is basically my detail work. basically what I'm doing here is repeating the same steps. My clipper is all the way open, and what I'm doing, I'm using a comb just to make sure I don't go too high. You're gonna see a little trick I use right here, just to make sure it gets those extra bulk out to where I don't have to do so much guard work. So like I said, it's the same steps. I'm gonna just let y'all follow along and see if y'all can figure it out. I'm gonna keep the words going here, just let you know which guard I'm using. Now I'm gonna let you in on another trick that I do. You saw me use the one all the way open as you saw in the words, but I did that first just to make sure I don't go too high, because he wants a high taper but not too high to where it look like a ball fade from the front, like you still kind of see the demographics of a fade. Is more detailed work, but basically what I'm doing is backtracking the steps I already did. It's okay, you know, that you have to backtrack every once in a while. Doesn't mean you messed up or anything like that. Just go back over your work. You know, clients will realize it. It'll be more clients being back to you. It's worth it. What I'm doing here is using thinning shears. Basically it cuts down you having to continue having to go through those steps. Like even after you backtrack, you might see a couple of things, and it's always best to use the thinning shears. I mean, it works for me, especially on his texture of hair. What I'm doing here is combing the hair in place and hitting with the holding spray just to hold the hair in place while I'm edging it up. from his request, he wanted to basically push his bangs up more. You know, I flipped it up just to show y'all, you know, so yeah, I quit to say somebody again and push back, you know, just making sure you guys see where it's not pushing his hairline back, it's the hair that lays over his hairline. I was gonna edit this clip out, but man, this is what makes me love what I do. When I see people react like this, like even he saying he had a haircut like that, man, I love it. Alright guys, this is the final product, man. I'm doing all that, got us here. You see the quality, you see the work, you see the effort. Man, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys, man. I'm out.